Today I'm going to talk about how we can do reclassification for an advanced warehouse in Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Actually, I'm using 2015 version here. Version number is 39663. Actually, when it comes to advanced warehousing, it is not like a basic location reclassification that you do for basic locations in Microsoft Dynamics NAV, because in an advanced warehouse there are certain functions, certain sophisticated functions that you have to use in order to achieve your requirement. So let's see how we can do reclassification for an advanced warehouse location in Microsoft Dynamics NAV. First of all, you have to go to warehouse reclass journal. So this is the function that you have to use. It's the module that you have to use in Microsoft Dynamics Navision. So it is located in goods handling multiple loaders, periodic activities in the warehouse department. If you go to that particular location, you can see there's a task called warehouse reclass journals. So once you enter into the warehouse reclass journal, you have this sort of journal type worksheet here. So this journal type window, it is really it's a kind of the basic structure that we use in Navision when it comes to item journal, then payment journal, cash receipt journal. So all sort of journals we use this type of window. So in here, actually I'm using Kronos International Limited. So this is the demo company which Microsoft normally uses for demo purposes. In here, there are a lot of locations in Kronos company, Kronos International Limited. So the one that is set up for advanced warehouse functionalities is white location. If you go to the location card, you can see this location is set up for advanced warehousing. So directed put away and pick, that's the function that you have to activate in order to use advanced warehouse functionalities for a particular location in Microsoft Dynamics NAV. So this white location is used as the advanced warehouse location. Okay, let's get back to warehouse reclassification journal. So first of all, you have to select batch name here. So I am going to select the default batch, which is assigned to white location. So once you select this location, so the warehouse document and the warehouse document will appear automatically, right? Then the registration date. In here, first of all, you have to make sure that so what is the item that we are going to reclassify and what is the lot number that we are going to reclassify. So in here I am going to talk about lot reclassification as well, maybe expiry date reclassification. In here, first of all, let's take a item from the item master to reclassify. Yeah, I'm going to take this Ethernet cable. If you take the inventory of this Ethernet cable, let's go to bin contents. So normally if you go to bin content, you can see whatever the inventory that which is located in bins, and in this case this is the bin content which is located in white location. This is the advanced warehouse. So there are about 100 pieces in this bin, right? So let's see how we can reclassify this inventory. So I'm going to copy this item number here, then get back to warehouse reclassification journal and place it here. Once you select the item in the item journal line, in the warehouse reclassification journal line, you can go to bin content and it shows the bin content for that particular item. So here, as we saw previously, this bin contains 100 quantity of this item, right? Okay, so we are going to reclassify the inventory in this bin. So for that we have to select from which bin that we are going to reclassify, right? Okay. So keep that. So this is really important. This from zone code and from bin code is really important. So it says that which inventory, or the inventory which is so the bin that you are going to reclassify, or the inventory that you are going to reclassify, so where it is located, you have to specify that bin code in this from bin code field, right? So then again you can relocate that reclassified inventory to another bin. For that, system gives this option to bin code field. So in here you have to keep in your mind that that you are going to relocate this inventory in another bin, right? So first I'm going to put this bin again here, because the first example I will show how to reclassify an inventory within the bin. Then I will move to the way that you have to select another bin, and you can move the way that you can move the inventory to another bin by reclassifying. First I will do how we can reclassify the inventory within the bin, right? Okay. So I'm going to reclassify this. Let's say you have 100 pieces there, and you are going to reclassify only for let's say 30 pieces, right? And in here, once you select these parameters in this line, right, you can click on this item tracking lines function. First you have to select this line, then you have to click on item tracking lines. So in here you have to select what lot number that you are going to reclassify, right? So when you click on this drill down icon, you will get this lot number list, right? In this case there's only one lot for this item, so it has been shown here, right? So you select this lot number and click OK button in this window. Then it will relocate to this item tracking lines window. Then you can say that you are going to reclassify this 30 pieces quantity with a new lot number, right? So let's say you are going to say this is n, something like that. You can put any number here, so there is no any restriction whatsoever to specify a new lot number. I put in here because it's kind of meaningful, right? Then you can, there's no expiration date for this lot. Yeah, I will do another example to reclassify the expiration date. First, in here I'm doing only the reclassification of the lot number, right? Okay. Right. And let's have a look at what are the other columns that you have in this reclassification journal window. Actually, only these two, recent code and variant code is here, and there are some other fields in this reclassification journal, warehouse reclassification journal, in the back end that you have to add to the page of the reclassification journal window. But I think these fields are not very useful fields because it's rarely used. These fields are rarely used, so I think it's not very important. If you want, you can put a recent code here. If you use a variant code for this particular item, then you can use variant code, obviously, right? So I'm going to put recent code like reclass. Let's say warehouse reclass. It seems like it takes sort of time to rename the recent code. Right. So it has been renamed. Okay. You select that recent code here. Then what you have to do is you can take a test report if you want to. Let's put today's date here. So warehouse document number, you can assign a warehouse document number here. So these are the same structure that you use in every journal in Microsoft Dynamics NAV. So there's no any difference here, right? So I just take this warehouse document number. Then you have to click register. Okay. Actually, that's the process that you have to you should follow in order to reclassify an item if it is located in an advanced warehouse. So let's see whether the reclassified lot is there. You can double check within the warehouse reclassification journal here, like let's put something like 10 here. If you go to the lot numbers, yeah, you get the new lot number that we have reclassified. Yeah, right. So we have reclassified 30 pieces of that 100 pieces. So 30 has been reclassified into this new lot number, and the 70 remains the same lot number. Okay. Let's take another example to show to see how we can reclassify expiration date if it is located in an advanced warehouse. So I'm going to take this item number here, right? So let's say I'm going to reclassify the 50 pieces. If you take item tracking lines and if you go to lot numbers, yeah, you see two lot numbers here, right? Two lot numbers, and some important one of the most important thing that you have to remember in here, if you select, let's say you select this bin here, right? This bin here, and one of the lot numbers is located in this bin, right? Even though you select this bin code in this line and you go to item tracking lines and you go to lot number, system doesn't show the inventory or the lot numbers which are located in that bin, right? What system does is, system shows all the lot numbers which are available in that location, white location, right? So specifically system doesn't show the lot numbers which are located in that selected bin code. No, system doesn't do that, right? So that's an important thing that you have to remember when you are going to reclassify inventory which is located in an advanced warehouse. Keep that in mind. Even without advanced warehouse functionalities, if you set up a location with bin mandatory tick enabled, yeah, this is the case, right? This is the case. This is how it works. System doesn't show. Actually, I have a doubt about 2018 version of Navision. Maybe there is a filtration for that. Maybe, I don't know, because I didn't check that right now. I haven't checked it yet. So in 2015 and 2000 up to 2017, no, system doesn't show. System shows all the lot numbers which are located in that particular location, white location, in this case what location, not the bin. System doesn't drill down or the filter into bin level in the lot number list or the item tracking window, right? Keep that in mind. Yeah. Let's say I'm going to I have to check what's the lot number which is located in this bin. So for that, actually, there's no standard report to view lot numbers located in bins, or what are the lot numbers which are located in bins of a particular location, right? So there is no standard report to view that. So the only way that you have to check, or the only place that you can check what lot numbers are located in what bins, that's warehouse entries. There's no other way to check in Dynamics Navigation. So let's go and check. You can create a report for that. Actually, for some customers, we have done some reports for that to view the lot numbers, like item number, lot number, and the located bin, like that. With these columns, we have developed some reports for some customers to view the inventory of the lot numbers located in different bins. So this is the item that we are going to reclassify. So this is the lot number which is located in this bin. So I'm going to take that lot number here, right? So if you select a different lot number which is not located in the selected bin in this line, system will anyway give the error. So make sure that you are going to reclassify lot numbers which are located in that particular bin. Otherwise, system throws an error and saying this lot is not located in this bin. I selected that lot number here. I'm going to rename this lot number here. And one thing that you have to remember is you can't just say you are going to reclassify only the expiry date here. You keep the lot number and new lot number the same. No, system doesn't allow to do that. You must first change the lot number here. Then you can change other parameters. Actually, the lot number is a primary key. If you take item trackings, the lot number is a primary key or if you use serial number, yeah, obviously serial number is the primary key. So serial number, lot numbers, serial numbers, lot numbers function in different ways. So in lot numbers, lot number field is the primary key. In serial number functionalities, yeah, serial number field is the primary key. So you can't mix these things together in Navision. So these lot numbers and the serial numbers function in different ways. There are many differences between lot numbers and serial numbers, because these two are used for different purposes, not for the same purpose. In the practical scenarios, you use these two different numbers for different purposes. So keep that in mind. So anyway, you have to rename the lot number, then you can reclassify the expiration date. So this is the original expiration date for this lot number, and I'm going to select another expiration date for this. Let's say this May. Yeah, let's put some date that we can remember. Let's put 25th of May. Something like that. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to reclassify 50 pieces for that lot number. Okay. What you have to do is you have to click on register. Let's put a reason code here, and let's say this today. Okay, you can register this reclassification journal line. Before that, you have to put the bin code. Yeah, I'm going to relocate this reclassified inventory in another bin, not in the same bin. Let's say I'm going to put this here, this bin location. Okay. Yeah, two different bin codes. Okay. Let's put this to a notepad. Okay. And let's take this new expiration date as well. Let's check whether these are reclassified properly. Okay, you can register. Then if you go to items and you go to bin contents, you can see that new bin code here. Right. This is the bin code. And if you want to see the lot numbers, you can again check it in the reclassification journal as well. Yeah, this is the lot number that we have reclassified. Here you can check expiration date as well. This one. Okay. So that's how we have to do the reclassification for an advanced warehouse in Microsoft Dynamics NAV. Actually, I'm planning to do several videos about advanced warehouse functionalities, because I think advanced warehouse tutorials for advanced warehouse functionalities of Microsoft Dynamics Navision is actually there are you can't find enough resources for these functionalities, and it's kind of it's not complex module. I don't say that warehouse module, yeah, it's not a complex module, but resources or the materials that or the tutorials, you can't find tutorials for warehousing module for Microsoft Dynamics in Internet Excel. So I thought I decided to do some tutorials or videos for about advanced warehouse functionalities. And actually, I'm not good in English, so of course, sorry for that. If I made some mistakes, yeah, definitely I might have made so many mistakes in this video. I mean, in terms of English or the fluency of English, but I will do some tutorials about advanced warehousing. So bye.